Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we are going to be making this really fun peachy card using the Sweet as a Peach stamp set in addition to You're a Peach designer series paper. So for this, you're going to need also the champagne rhinestones and balmy blue cardstock and the basic white cardstock, which I'll have cut up ahead of time. So let's get assembling. First, I have my balmy blue cardstock, which is 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it in half at 5 1/2. So we're gonna fold that over. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our trimmer and we are gonna first cut. We're gonna open it back up again. We're first gonna cut at the 3 5/8 mark. Removing the base, and then we're going to cut this remaining piece at the 1 7/8 mark. So now these should be 1 7/8 by 4 1/4. And then we also have our card base. We're going to adhere our designer series paper onto the sections that we cut and the top fold. So what we're going to do is we're going to have one of the pieces down at the bottom here, and then our third piece or second piece, whatever you want to call it, is going to be up and down straight. So our designer series paper is going to be adhered to this bottom one, the top one, and then we're going to flip this one around and then adhere it on our piece that's going to go up and down. Now that we have our designer series paper on, what we're going to do is we're going to line our bottom piece right to the edge of our back part of the cardstock or card base, and then we're going to adhere, we're going to put tape on this section up here and then this section down here on this one that's going to go up and down. Next, we're going to adhere our basic white on the inside of the card. Then we are going to take our designer series paper and we're going to cut out one of the peaches from here. I'm going to cut this one off here. We're going to adhere this on using dimensionals. Next, we're going to stamp Have a Peachy Day from the Sweet as a Peach stamp set using Calypso Coral ink. The last step we're going to do is add our champagne rhinestone basic jewels to the front of the card. I like using the Take Your Pick tool because it helps me pick up the gems and put them exactly where I want them without them running away from me. And there's the final version of our card. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked this card, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video, for directions and pictures. Thanks!